Bye. Summer is back. Mm-hmm.
That little spot right there for yoga.
Wow, yes.
Wouldn't that be so nice?
Yeah.
Big video.
Ciao.
On the roster.
Yep. Yeah, I remember once I came here to this beach, like the first time. I wanted to do some yoga, but I couldn't find a spot. Now we found it. What are you up to today?
No plans. I'm gonna go take. I'm gonna take a couple photos right now for one of our workshops for social media, and then otherwise no plans.
Nice.
You work?
Yeah, tonight.
What time?
5, from 5 to 10.
Oh, yeah.
But I will go to meet a friend from the yoga teacher course. And maybe have breakfast together, maybe go to Tanote or something. Yeah, and see. I don't know, but
Well, if you want to play Connect 4 tonight,
yeah, you can.
let me know.
I mean, I will be there if you
Yeah, but
want
maybe you're
to.
doing things. I have no idea.
Nah, it's okay. I don't have much to do.
I need practice if I'm gonna win.
Yeah, you can. If you want to come, you're super welcome. Okay. Oh, it's freaking hot. Wow.
Listen,
What is?
smell it.
Okay.
Turn it on. Yeah, right? So nice.
Wow, amazing. So amazing. You want some solar cream that kills everything?
How dare you ask me that?
Hmm?
How dare you ask me that?
Hmm?
How dare you ask me that? Wait, this is fine.
Hmm?
No, it's not.
No, I know it's not. You already checked it and you already said it was cheap. But yeah, I mean, I didn't put it before, but now it's needed.
Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna be burnt. Oh well. It is what it is. If it's bad for the coral, why is it not bad for you, you know? That's something that I think about. If it's killing coral, why would it not kill me?
Depends. Or not the
Skin
same.
cancer started to skyrocket when sunscreen was invented.
Yeah.
We're supposed to be in the sun. We were meant to be in the sun. But now you're putting chemicals on your body that are not supposed to like organically be there.
I will think about it. I will ask people on YouTube what they think about it.
Oh, you guys go on Reddit. Go on Twitter, why don't you actually? Ask people on Twitter.
I've never been.
No?
No. No.
A lot of opinions.
Yes, I feel like it's too much.
Yeah, probably.
It's like, yeah, you get inside a world that is not real, but with a lot of stuff going on. Okay.
All right. Thanks for a fun
Thank
day.
you. Yes, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you, you too. keep your eye out for new snorkel places.
Yes, yes, I always try to find new place. Actually, where I went yesterday was awful, but there is a lot of life, like big stuff.
Like what? Oh,
Like barracuda or big fishes. Yeah, we can go there once if you want.
There was somebody snorkeling in front of my house yesterday. I think there must be stairs up and down there. Maybe we could go.
Also, yeah. Whoa. Wow. Okay, I will rush a bit because I'm late. Yeah.